According to de Broglie's hypothesis, if electron of mass m is accelerated by a potential difference v, then associated wavelength is lambda. Now the de Broglie's wavelength of an electron lambda is equal to h divided by p, where p is momentum. P is what? Momentum. We know that whenever electron is accelerated through a potential difference v, then the kinetic energy gained by electron is equal to what? Potential energy acquired. Kinetic energy is what? Half mv square, and potential energy acquired is charge on electron multiplied by potential difference v. Now multiply this left hand side by m, divide by m. So in the numerator we are having m square v square, and in the denominator we are having 2m. But we know p is equal to m into v. So therefore m square v square is equal to p square. So LHS will become p square upon 2m is equal to q into v, or we can say p square is equal to twice mqv, or p is equal to under root of twice mq into v. Therefore de Broglie's wavelength lambda is equal to h divided by, instead of momentum p, we can write twice mq into v, twice mq into v, where q is the charged particle which is accelerated through a potential difference v. Now the second particle here we are given, when a proton of mass capital M is accelerated through a potential difference 9v, then the wavelength associated with it is, so lambda is equal to h upon under root of twice mqv. Therefore what we can say? Lambda proton upon lambda electron is equal to under root of, because de Broglie's wavelength is inversely proportional to mass, charge and potential difference. So it is mass of proton into charge on proton into potential difference through which that proton is accelerated. Here it is 9v. Mass of electron into charge on electron into what? Potential difference through which electron is accelerated, that is v. So lambda p divided by lambda e is equal to under root of. Now see here, mass of electron is denoted by what? Small m. Charge on electron is e. Potential difference through which electron is accelerated is v, upon mass of proton is denoted by m. Charge on proton is e, magnitude, and what is the potential difference through which it is accelerated? It is 9 times v. So this e get cancelled with e, v get cancelled with v. Therefore what we had? It is lambda p divided by lambda e is equal to, see here, 1 by 9. When it is taken outside the square root, it becomes 1 by 3, and in a square root it is mass on electron small m divided by mass on proton capital M. So which option is correct? It is option C, lambda by, here lambda p by lambda e. Therefore lambda p is equal to lambda e divided by 3 into under root of small m divided by capital M. So option C is the correct option, that is de Broglie's wavelength of proton is equal to de Broglie's wavelength of electron divided by 3 into under root of mass of electron upon mass of proton.